Uh, just wanted to show you where I am in my New York City MTA R46 train. Uh, Luckily, I finally found a stable iteration of these train cars. And the problem seemed to be that I had been warehousing all the cars next to each other. So every time I tried to group this car in front, because so much stuff was all around here, it just would not render. It would not render. So I took it to a separate platform, separate work plane, and then started putting the new cars together over here, and they render. So now at this point, I should be able to, turn this complete thing into a solid STL, and then it should perform well when the graffiti is added to it. Just wanted to give you an update. Peace out. Till the next time.